Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is something I just wanted to talk about. I got the question asked yesterday, but it comes up from time to time, and it's been a long time since I talked about it. And so it's in the Windows Security app. If you go to your Windows Security app, and in the Windows Security app, you will go in the app in browser control. There's something called Smart App Control. If you click on it, you might notice that it's off and that you can't turn it on, and wondering why. So this is a feature, Smart App Control, that was introduced, at least a year ago. It's been a while now. It's been introduced with one of the updates quite a while back. And one of the biggest problems with it is that it needs a complete reinstall of Windows to work. So for a lot of you that maybe have never done a clean install of your Windows, you might all have this as grayed out. You can't turn it on. What does it do? It actually analyzes all the apps that you download and install to try to find anything malicious. And of course, it will block and protect your device from it. Now, this was not part of Windows Security app at the beginning. It was added later. Unfortunately, because of the way that it works, it requires a complete Windows reinstall for the different modules of it to be turned on. So if it is off, you can't turn it on. Without a reinstall, there's nothing you can do. It is unfortunately the way that it works. It doesn't happen often that a feature requires a complete reinstall, but this feature does. It's turned off. You're worried. I wouldn't worry too much because there's so much other things that are protecting you from download of apps, from the different screen protections. There's, of course, all that you need for the smart screen, which will actually analyze what you're downloading. And if it doesn't know what it is, it will actually try to tell you, well, I don't know what's that. I think it's not something you should download. And so there are already some things. There's also the check apps and files. There is some form of protection already. And of course, without doubt, your browser itself is also a part of its security also. So all of that together, you still, you've got what it takes. And remember, I say it all the time, the best security isn't the app. The best security is you not downloading things that you don't know what they are. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.